What's good, Wolf Squad? On this video, I want to talk about the costs associated with starting the Amazon business. Let's get into it. Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir! Do you understand me? Sir, yes, sir!
Now, let's start off with the free method you can use to get this business started. Now, you do have some sunk costs. You're going to be required to have a phone. So if you're watching me, I'm assuming you do have a cell phone and you have to have access to a printer. So if you don't have a personal printer, you're going to need to be able to get to the library or whatever to get your labels printed out, right? Other than that, you can get this business started with no money, long as you have those two things. Everything else would just be off a grind and hustle. You can use the Amazon Sellers free app. You can use that data, all the free data that's available. You can use trials of paid subscription and make sure to cut it off before you actually charge. And you can run it up in that time period, right? Use those profits to invest in apps like down below to help make your business more efficient, like ScoutIQ, Scoutly, Scanlister, SellersAmp, all that good stuff to take you to the next level, repricers, etc., just to fine tune your business once you start getting those orders coming in consistently. Now, that's for the cherry picking model. And what I call cherry picking is when you're going out finding inventory, right? You guys know that I deal in books. I love the book category because the ROI is just so crazy. It's unmatched in the Amazon game. The only business I've been in to beat those margins is selling digital products. We all know you're going to have 100% margins on those digital products if you construct them the right way. Now, I know you may say, Trav, how in the world are we going to get inventory for free?
What the hell are you talking about?
What you want to do is post locally, put signs up anywhere you allow that you're looking for whatever specific type of inventory that you're looking to sell on Amazon. I do books. You post them everywhere. If you have social media, tell your friends, your family, every group that you're a part of, tell them you have an online bookstore. You're looking for donations to get your business off the ground. I promise you, make sure y'all come back and comment. Let your boy know that the method does work. Once you do get the books in, all you're going to do is look at the prices that they're going online, price them competitively to what's in the market. You know, you want to do the condition, accurately describing these books, list them on Amazon. Hey, let's get those sales, rinse and repeat. And you're going to keep doing that with the free method until you're able, like I said before, to invest in more software, more apps to make your business run more efficiently.
And you're smarter than I gave you credit for.
And that's just the free route through posting on social media, telling people what you do. You also have the cherry picking model, which would be a little bit more expensive. That's when you're going to go around to places that have books in your area for sale, and you're going to cherry pick what they have. Usually it'll be anywhere from 10 cents up to about $2, $3, $4, $5 each book. You cherry pick using your free Amazon Sellers app, see which ones are good, which ones fit your buying criteria so that you can purchase and list them on Amazon. And using that method, shoot, you can go out and get started with $50 to $100. All you need is enough money to buy inventory. Again, if you're using the free library printer, you won't have a cost for your labels. As far as your packaging supplies, you can get those for free through stores like if you have a Dollar General or Walmart, whatever in your area, to put the books in so that you can ship them off. So you got your boxes for free. You have your labels. You have everything you need completely free.
Quiet! Hush your mouth.
On the cherry picking model, all you will be doing is spending $50 to $100 for your inventory to get you started, rinse, repeat, keep going. Now, other methods, if you have more money, you know, you can invest in online arbitrage. That's where you're going to find books on different sites, list them on Amazon for a higher markup, take the profit in. Also, you have retail arbitrage. That's when you go into stores that have books that's deeply discounted. You buy them there, list them on Amazon. Again, you take that spread home. And with both of those models, sometimes people start off with a couple $100s to spend, all the way up to $5,000 to $10,000 to spend to build their inventory. But if you don't have the money to do it, that's the great thing I love about this business and selling books on Amazon. Man, you can really run it up to 6, 7 figures. I don't know anyone selling 8 figures of books, but I'm pretty sure it's a company out there. This is a business that can take you wherever you're trying to go with little to no money.
I would like to see it.
And in my opinion, without creating your own products and using your IP, it's not that many business opportunities that can scale with little to no money that you can get started with free, using what you already have to help you get where you're trying to go. Whether your goals are investing in real estate, the stock market, whatever you're trying to do, this vehicle can definitely get you there. I can only vouch for what it's done for me and my family. Hopefully this video gave you a little bit of insight how you can get started for free, or you can use your money that you have on hand to develop more relationships and get higher quality books. But yeah, man, that's the game. It's here. All you got to do is go out and take advantage of it. If you guys got value from this video, man, show your boy some love. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Make sure you share it with somebody. Love y'all. Again, I'm coming back with more game. Be blessed.